Good morning, everyone. We are here in the Meta Sprint Triathlon today at East Coast Park. So I was assigned here for the bikers. It's very early, and the triathlon will start at 6 o'clock. I'm here. It's still dark here. Nobody was around. It's my friend is 1 kilometer away from me. And this is the highway. The other side. I'm in F2 car park. The bikers road is here, and then they will go there in the beach. Oh, it's very far and it's still dark here. All you can hear are the vehicles passing by. Nice flower. Yellow color. There's an ambulance passing in case there's an emergency. The color of the flower is red, white and purple. Favorite color. It's like the weather now is humid, and we're wearing our... There's ants. So this one, we will use this later. For bikers. Meta Sprint. Okay, only one. Load. I'll get ready for this. The bikers already, I don't know where to start. I will blow. Sprint. There's only one. Meta Sprint. Get ready.
Hi. Morning.
Is this starting already? I don't know if it starts already. Or maybe she's not, because there's no name. We are volunteering for Metasprint Triathlon. I'm here. I'm alone. There's taxi. They can see us from afar because we're wearing light color. I'm in F2 parking. My friend is 1 kilometer away. It's 5:29. Maybe we start at 6. So later, the bikers will start, and we'll look at their numbers. Then they're just straight going there. No number. Where is? Okay, I'm here now in F2 car park in East Coast.